How to earn money on Finblox. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today I will be showing you how you can make money on Finblox. So let's get into it. Now, Finblox is an amazing crypto ecosystem that will enable you to make money. We don't really know, we're not interested in the crypto side. We're interested in how you can make money for yourself on Finblox. Well, it's very simple, very easy, and all you have to do is you're going to go on to finblox.com, and once you go on to finblox.com, you're going to click on their referral program, and just like that, you refer friends, and whenever you refer a friend, you're going to receive up to 250 USDC. So to get started, you're just going to click on get started on the left side of your screen, and then you can sign up and start earning. So first off, you're just going to download this on your phone. If you don't want to, you can also sign up via the web application. So if you don't want to do this on your phone, you can click on sign up via web application, and this will open up the web application. And now we will enter our name, email, and password. And then you will select the country, then you're going to click on create account, and then you will just have to verify the OTP sent to your email address. So we're going to open up our Gmail. You're just going to copy and paste this code onto Finblox. And once you have done that, you are ready to get started. Now, don't worry if it doesn't show your country on the Finblox application when you are signing up. It doesn't matter. You can enter any country you want. It really doesn't affect the fact that you're still going to be able to earn money and generate more money for yourself. Now, to get started, you have your basic account, so you have no minimums required. You don't have to add any kind of balance. First off, you're going to go into identity verification, and then you have to actually verify your identity. So that is one of the first process where you have to upload your passport or ID card or anything that would verify your identity. After you have verified your identity, your withdrawal limits also increase on the Finblox platform. Now, to get started with your earnings on Finblox, all you have to do is you're just going to go ahead and go to your get started, sign up a web app. And now what we're going to do is we're just going to go into our settings, and you can see all of your preferences and settings added over here. So we're just going to click on assets, and you can see on your assets you have your total holdings, your rewards occurred today, and total rewards that you have earned on the Finblox platform. So from here, you're just going to copy your referral code once you have verified your identity, and you will begin to actually get started with it. So you can just go ahead and copy that code, and you will be able to sign up via your simple, once you have signed up via your simple registration, you're going to get the code on your phone, and on your phone you can actually share it. Now, I'm going to be focusing on how to share that code because you guys just saw how to create your account, and once you open it up on your phone, you can actually get started with the referral code. So how do you go ahead and share that referral code? Because you're going to be earning money depending on their deposit size, the more money that they deposit. So if you go on to the deposit now section, whenever someone is going to deposit money, you're going to earn up to 250 USD. So how do you make sure that you're sharing this link with most people? So you can share this a couple of times with your friends, but after a couple of times, you're not going to get your friends to deposit, or you're not going to be able to get as many people as you initially did. How do you make sure that you're still able to get as many people to share your referral link or to sign up by your referral link? Well, for that, you can use a simple strategy of Facebook. So go on to Facebook and search for crypto over here. Go into the filters on the left side of your screen. Click on groups over here. Once you click on groups, you're going to see so many different crypto groups. And what you're going to do is you're going to join a bunch of these groups. And once you do that, you're going to go ahead and promote your referral link over here. So over here, just talk about how you found the best crypto exchange or the best crypto marketplace or the best way to earn money with crypto. Just in a few lines, talk about how you are able to earn so much money with this platform and you want other people to sign up as well. And once you do that, you're just going to do it on multiple different Facebook groups. You're not going to do it on just one group. Just search for crypto groups, or you can even search for how to make money groups. And once you go ahead and join these groups, because you can easily join a lot of these groups, they are open to join, and you're going to join these and start sharing your referral link in these groups. That is one of the simplest ways that you can earn money money with Finblox. Now, after that, let's say you have done it on Facebook, you're getting some audience, but you want to expand your horizons. Well, for that, I have a few other platforms. You can go onto reddit.com and you can actually take a look at investment or money threads in Reddit, and then you can talk about your referral link. You can just talk about the Finblox platform and then add your referral link over there as well. Another great way is to go on Pinterest, and you can create a simple pin to illustrate how you have made money with Finblox, or Finblox is a good way for people to invest their crypto in, and this will enable you to get more clicks on your referral link as well, and especially on Pinterest. If you go ahead on Pinterest over here, so if you go on Pinterest and click on create pin, you actually have a add destination link where you're going to be able to add your referral link, so you don't have to worry about, getting your links banned or getting reported as spam, because sometimes referral links are reported as spam on Facebook, and you have to work your way around that and just make sure that you are not spamming different groups, because if you do, then people will definitely report you. Then you also have Twitter. If you have a Twitter following, make sure to promote over there as well. And you can also go on to a free article writing platform such as medium.com to promote your referral link as well. You can just write an article about how you found the best way to earn money on Finblox, or the best crypto investment platform, that is Finblox, and then you can add the destination link on medium.com as well. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful and you are now able to make money with Finblox. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and if you have any questions regarding Finblox or crypto, then make sure to ask in the comment box down below. So any questions or queries are welcome. I would love to help you guys out, and I will catch you in the next video. So that was it for today. Now, if you have any other questions regarding NFTs as well, I do have a few videos on NFTs. And if you go ahead and you're looking to earn money with Finblox, make sure that you create a Twitter account. And that is like a extra tip, a bonus tip that I would recommend. Create a NFT account and add or promote Finblox in NFT spaces. The reason for that is NFTs have a very, very active community on Twitter. So what this basically will allow you to do is that the NFT community is super, super into it, and a lot of the people that are in the NFT community are looking to create money, they're looking to generate money. So what you're going to do is, when you promote in the NFT communities instead of directly promoting in crypto communities, is that you're getting a audience that is not constantly being targeted with these kinds of links, and you're promoting to those people that are already interested in earning with crypto or investing in crypto, instead of just people that are generally just looking at crypto information. So this will enable you to get more links on your referral as well. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and comment down below the best tips and tricks that I have taught you within this video, and make sure to also share this video with your friends and family and to other creators as well, so you can help them out as well, and to anyone that might need to know this basic detailed platform and how you navigate through these different social websites. So I hope this was helpful enough for you, and make sure that you do leave a comment down below if I missed out on anything, and if there is anything you would like to add, and I will catch you guys in the next video.